One cause of plastic pollution comes from ships dumping their waste into the ocean. In 1988, a U.S. law was passed making it illegal for their ships to dump their plastics into the ocean, but it's hard to enforce. Another cause is when a sewage system floods and allows the plastic to float into the ocean. Plastic doesn't decompose. It can break down into smaller pieces, but it never goes away. Biodegradable plastic is actually more harmful to the animals than you would think. It breaks down into little pieces and is more easily mistaken for food. Oysters are filter feeders, so they take in a lot of microplastic. An experiment was done where oysters were exposed to this. As a result, they produced smaller egg cells, slower sperm, and 41% fewer larvae. "99% of seabird species and 95% of individuals within each species have swallowed plastics. Plastic restricts their movements, blocks their gut, and increases their exposure to toxins that are leached from the plastic. Sometimes a bird will mistake plastic for food and will feed it to its young. 95% of Licon albatross chicks have plastic pieces in their stomach. Turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, which are their natural prey. Loggerhead sea turtles have been found with soft plastic, ropes, styrofoam, and monofilament lines in their stomach. A humpback whale had gotten caught in 50 to 100 feet of net. It was starving with its ribs showing and later died. When whales and seals dive for food, they get tangled in nets and drown. Seals who are on the brink of extinction often play with plastic netting. They get tangled and can't move. Then they die of starvation, exhaustion, and/or infection. In the North Pacific Ocean, fish ingest 12,000 to 24,000 tons of plastic each year. When marine species, especially fish, accidentally ingest plastic, they allow toxic chemicals to enter the food chain and eventually make its way up to humans.